Hello guys, it's you gaming, and this is the Thunder Great God bundle. As you can see, these are the all moves you can get. First, the Great Clock. Second, you will get Light Ability, Light Beam. You will get Asteroid Belt. This is the light great bundle, guys. Just see my power right now. And you use the electrical skin. The strongest you become. No one can kill, bruh. Don't try. I'm just showcasing it right now. Nature's Wrath. Oh my god. You get Pine Burst. Like, and there's no some of Thunder abilities is it. Well, they will just see. Yo, no, nature's blessing. A lot of speed. Poison demon you become. You became just like a demon. Well, do I look scary, guys? Do I look scary? Nah, I don't. You get cosmic remote. You get space saucer. The thing that everyone wants. Oh my god, where am I going? Where was I, man? Man. Wait, where am I? 1000. Guys, where am I? Oh, wait a minute, guys. What is this? Guys, when was this added? What the hell, man? Did I found a secret area? I can't believe I found a secret area in my own video. Well, you get this electricity bundle. You can control the electricity. You can convert into that. The data box bots, which will listen to you. Plasma, electrical ball. You can become a thunder god. No, and now you get light speed, which will just give you the fastest speed in the game. Like, wow. And you'll get it for a long time. So, for running people, it's good. Temporal Gate. Time. This is the time special. You become unpredictable. You can go in infinite areas, infinite comebacks. Tempo Beam, Time Trap, and Warp Bomb. So guys, this was the bundle of the Great Thunder God bundle. If you liked it, then be happy to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Tata.